To activate the service worker, we add another piece of code, which is self.add_event_listener, and then activate, and then console.log the service worker is activated. Now if we go to the website, you can see the service worker is installed and the service worker is activated. You must see installed and then activate, but the register sometimes is on the top and sometimes is very random. And then if we refresh, you can just see the service worker register, and we cannot see the installation and activation because there is nothing changed inside the service worker. So there is no need to installation, so there is no need to activate again. But if we go to the service worker and make some changes, for example, type some words here and then save. Now if you go to the console and you can see the service worker is installed but without activation, we can refer to this animation again. And once the new service worker is installed, the new workers will wait until the existing worker is controlling the zero client. So it needs to wait after the browser closes, or you can do in these two ways. One is you can use skip waiting and then press here. Now you can see the service worker is activated. And in the other one is you take this update on below. So if we try to delete this word again and then save, now you can see the service worker is installed and activate again, and then it reload. So this also do the same effect.